Hi there everyone, Kazi here, and in this quick video I will show you how to view all comments in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First of all, if you go to the Microsoft Word document, as you can see we got a little icon which is the comment icon basically. So if you get this icon into the right side of your document, this probably you have something commented in this particular paragraph. Alright, so if you just want to see the comments, you need to tap on this little icon. Alright, and now as you can see you got the comment. Alright, so if you don't have this little icon on the right side, then all you're gonna do is simply tap on the view option on the top side. Just tap on it, and then from here you can see the show comments. You need to select this one and all the comments will be shown. Alright, and if you want to hide all these comments, then simply tap again on the show comments and all the comments will be hidden. Then if you want to delete these comments, you can simply go with the delete option right over here, and you can simply delete all comments in document from here like this. Alright, then also you can delete it by one from here, like if you click on this option, three dots, and then simply tap on the delete thread, and you can delete the comment from here also. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.